For generations, we've all been inspired by building blocks, and we were able to create the most wonderful things. But we noticed that these good old bricks were missing something. And we had a feeling that we could maybe improve them. Then it hit us. Why is the brick world still in its dark ages? How much fun would it be to play with light? Let's bring the world of LED into the world of building blocks. That night, the idea behind STAX was born. It took years and hundreds of prototypes to get it exactly right. Until finally, we made it. So what is STAX exactly? Well, these special LED bricks will come to life when you connect them to one of our magic power sources. The regular power stacks will use a regular USB cable to light up. But the magic really comes to life when you use our mobile power stacks. This little guy will light one STAX for 50 hours and can be recharged over and over again. To connect the bricks, just a few studs are enough to pass on the light. And we even have extension cables to reach far and hidden places. STAX has a wide range of both solid and transparent colors, and it comes with 3 light modes: instant on, blinking, and glowing. And it's even fully compatible with all major building blocks. So just imagine the possibilities. We've been playing with STAX for quite a while, but now the time has come to share it with the world. We are working hard to get STAX mass-produced, and this is where we need your help. You can back us on Kickstarter and select amazing STAX bundles. STAX. Light up your play.
Lily used to climb the highest mountains in search of the freshest air. With Wynd, she doesn't have to anymore. Wynd is the world's first personal air quality system that generates fresh and clean air, that's portable, and is simple to use. Its built-in sensor monitors the air quality around Lily and adjusts its power to filter more or less. Wynd helps Lily keep the air around her clean and fresh even when she's traveling. Wynd works by creating a bubble of healthy air around it. Dirty air is drawn in by vents, pulled through a medical-grade air filter, and clean air is propelled out of the top. Wynd can filter things like allergens, dust, pet dander, smoke, pretty much anything. Except that. Lily can adjust the amount of clean air Wynd releases by simply twisting. The Wynd app allows Lily to check the quality of the air around her, gain insight about the air she's filtered, and check the air quality of her friends and family. Wynd knows when Lily's filter is used up and can automatically ship a replacement filter to her home. And the air quality tracker can even detach to keep Lily aware of the air she's breathing while she's on the go. Wynd blends seamlessly into Lily's life, allowing her to breathe easy, no matter where life takes her.
What we breathe matters. We all have experiences or know of loved ones who have been affected by poor air quality, whether that's from allergens, germs, smoke, or industrial pollution. I founded Wynd because I've watched for too many years as my relatives in Beijing suffered from poor air quality. The air problem goes way beyond China, and we want to enable everyone, no matter where they live or where life takes them, to enjoy a healthy air environment. Wynd is designed not just to clean the air, but also understand the environment so that it can proactively take care of any problems, and to do both wherever the user goes. For the past 18 months, we've been working hard with an amazing team of engineers, scientists, and designers to bring Wynd to life. Today, we're proud to come to you to get your support so that we can launch the product, spread the word, and grow the community. Thank you.
Introducing Docoy, a powerful projector encased in an elegant box. With its 120-inch screen, 720p high resolution, and 300 ANSI lumens from a small body, enjoy the immersive experience with Docoy. Sit back, relax, and watch a great film. Thanks to the dual 3-watt speaker and DPS bass amplifier, Docoy will bring astonishing sound. Auto-correction adjusts your image regardless of any angle changing. There are many ways to connect Docoy: TV box, SD card, Wi-Fi, or gaming console. Use Docoy to make a presentation. It also supports multiple accessories: keyboard, mouse, speaker, and earbuds. Docoy provides open-source Android OS. You can download anything on the huge screen using built-in 8GB hard disk storage. It also allows 64 gigabytes of expandable capacity. Get unlimited possibilities. Cannot stand lagging? No problem. With 4-core CPU, dual-frequency Wi-Fi, and DLP, have the best gaming experience. 1.6 kilograms allows you to take Docoy anywhere you want. With 6 working hours, Docoy will be your best outdoor home theater. Imagine life with Docoy. Watch TV on your bedroom ceiling, enjoy content from the internet, read recipes on your kitchen, and paint your wall with beautiful images. Docoy, project your colorful life.
We're daredevils, but we're not naive. We know that your helmet is the single most important accessory for your riding experience. So we designed the best damn helmet in the market. The JARVISH helmet. The JARVISH helmet is made out of a lightweight, aerodynamic polycarbonate carbon fiber shell with built-in wide-angle 2K front and rear cameras that offer 360-degree view and cutting-edge AR heads-up display technology. The JARVISH AR helmet connects to your smartphone via Bluetooth, allowing you to see incoming call notifications, road slip warning, weather notification, gas station icon, dangerous section warning, speed warning, traffic notification, and GPS navigation. I forgot to introduce our guest of honor. Hi, Alexa.
Hey, it's great to be here.
All these features and more can be controlled by voice command. Since safety is our #1 priority, the JARVISH helmet has CNS, DOT, ECE safety certifications, anti-fog, anti-scratch, anti-glare visor, and 100% military-grade battery. Our state-of-art technology empowers every rider to enjoy the riding experience. And don't deny it, this is your dream helmet. Pre-order now.